welcome. If your hair is damaged, in need of recovery, it's frizzy, and you need some straightening as well, then come with me, because in today's video I'm sharing my miracle hair mask that contains corn flour and coconut oil. And if you have never used it before, then trust me, you are in for a treat. Now, all you're going to need is 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 50 ml of water. Mix it together and place it in a pan and cook it for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Now, corn flour hydrates and reduces frizz and can help recover some of the damage on your hair. And next we are going to add half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Don't add more than this, because coconut oil in excess can make the hair absorb less of the hydration, and coconut oil makes the hair more shiny, soft, and reduces damage on the hair as well. The last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of hair mask that you have. I'm using this one that I love, and as you can see, it's almost finished, but you can use whichever hair mask that you have at home. And now just mix it all together. Before we apply our hair mask today, I would love to give you a very quick tip, which is using a pre-shampoo before washing your hair. And that could be using just a conditioner, just applying from the middle to the ends. And what I love to do is add a few drops to the conditioner, like this one. This is a basic argan oil that I usually use, but you can use coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, whatever you've got at hand, and it will give you an amazing effect and will protect the ends from drying while you wash your hair. So basically, I'll just open the conditioner and put a little bit on my hand, and then just add a few drops. So I will be pouring about 1, 2, 3, mix it all together with my hands like this, and apply it to my hair. Now that I've applied my pre-shampoo, I will put my hair up and wait for about 10 minutes and then wash it twice with a shampoo. I am using this one. And then I will be back to share with you how I apply my miracle hair mask. Now that I've washed my hair with the shampoo, I like to divide my hair and apply it layer by layer, and then just leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. With or without a shower cap, it's fine, but just make sure that you use a conditioner after rinsing your hair and the heat protector before using heat. And here's the result after making hair remedies for only a few weeks. Here on my channel, you will find so many other remedies. I highly recommend these next ones that will come up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!